Skiprgus here. Thanks for watching another video. We're at Folsom Lake again in the spring, catching these nice chunky rainbows. Captain Gary Edminster. Stick around, we'll show you how we did it. Beautiful day. It'll be 70 I think today. Folsom Lake. Captain Gary Edminster. We'll see. Grumpy old guys fishing. Never know. First order of business, as usual, is let's get the temperature probe down there, see what's going on, just so we have it as a reference. Okay, what do we got?
51 on the surface, that's warmer than it was last time. And then 50 starts getting cooler. 50 at 30, 50, 35, 49 at 40. Ooh, no thermocline at all, really.
Yeah, so after 50 feet it gets a little colder.
Yeah, that's why these salmon aren't biting. Look at that. It's just all the way down.
50.
All the way down to 90.
So it got a little bit colder from that storm.
It was last time we were here, it was 48 degrees.
At the surface?
Yeah.
Wow.
So it's gone up 3 degrees.
Yeah, you wouldn't think with that storm.
So anyway.
Huh. Well, how are we going to know? How are you going to know until you try?
No, that was Monday. That was after the storm. So it was
oh, that's right. Okay.
Before it was real cold. Right?
Okay, so it's warmed up a little. And you were catching fish. So
yeah.
Let's see.
That one's on. That's on the trick one.
Sun's coming up now, so these trout are up in the shallower water, but they're still down 15-20 feet looking up, targeting prey. Gary just missed one on his J-Fair line. J-Fair had a pink Trix minnow.
We slowed down to nothing, right?
Yes, exactly.
So we were at 1.8. I just looked at the screen, 1.8.
Oh, that's huge.
That must be a salmon.
Careful. Careful, your back.
That's a salmon, I think.
Remember your back.
If it is, we're going to leave them in the water.
Yeah.
That's a salmon.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm pretty
Can you
sure
net them?
it's a salmon. That's a rainbow. That's another little rainbow. That's like the one I caught last time. Same
I
size.
can't believe it cost me $1 for that thing. I can't believe
Give me 50 cents.
per pound. Per pound, I think a quarter is probably more appropriate. Damn, can you believe that? Jeez, this guy, that fish.
I caught one like that.
He's gonna take $1 from me for that fish.
I caught one like that on a big wiggle hoochie last time I was there. At 20 feet.
There's no justice.
That could be a native.
There's no justice in the world.
That could be a native.
That could be an orphan. That's what it is.
Snow melt starts coming, you know. That's gonna do something with the water temperature too, right? Never a dull moment with your shit.
I love that. That's gonna relax and light.
Oh, there we go. Right the same spot we caught the last one.
Yep, they're out here.
I think I might have one on the downriver too. Yeah, it's good on the downriver. This has got a little bit more weight. You heard that one before?
Yep. Oh yeah.
Gary's famous.
We're used to Gary.
This one's a
Oh, it's huge.
This one's a
Oh,
nice one.
this is the one. It's nice to see that optimism. You don't see enough of that in the world.
Try to be positive.
Why not?
Positive.
Why not? Oh, that's a nice trout. I'd have been happy to pay $1 for that.
trying to shake it like a coconut.
That's a good job, huh?
All right.
Yeah.
Gussie. Oh, yeah.
Number 3 for Gary. Very pretty. These are some nice chunky rainbows.
Yep.
Around 16 inch, 14, 16 inch range. Not too bad. This is my new otter boat rig. Use an old netting landing pole as the mast for it. Fits in a pole holder, so that's convenient. Keeps these lines separated. We're using top lines, so keep them from getting fouled. And works nice.
Oh, there we go.
Clips right off. You have fish.
It's on that turn. Came off of that. That's nice.
Yeah.
That close to getting $1. What is the story of my damn life?
Well, your fish will probably be bigger though.
Didn't take
Make you
much.
feel a little better.
Good, that's cool. What's this? Is? Are you noticing something here? This is it. I wanted to get caught by Gary too.
Oh, you're on me, I think. Yeah, you're on me.
Well, you took because he went over so fast.
You're on me. Nice fish. That's a nice one, bud. That's a nice one.
That's what these fish are.
Right there.
How do you know?
Well, I don't.
But I'm being
It
optimistic.
could be
Being
brown,
optimistic.
It could be a brown, it could be squaw, who knows? I don't think your bass are down there. It's too cold.
And there was a mayfly hatch that I didn't notice until I edited the video. But that might have been the reason for these fish all being up and feeding on the mayflies coming up.
Like wearing big old bling. Ooh, look at him fight. Yeah. Look at him go. Look at that thing. Yes. I want to put on an orange yet. The baby. There you are, Russ.
There we go.
There's Patty.
Another nice one. Beautiful fish.
Get hit.
Let's go.
Oh, there we go. There's a fish. There's a fish. Ooh, big drag too.
Right out.
Oh, he's jumping out of the water. That was a drag. That might be. I said my. Yep.
Should be. How about go with should be?
No, I like my. He definitely pulled. Definitely no name. First time fishing
Big drag. Yeah, now we're right. We're going fast, right? Yeah.
Yep.
Bit up. Ooh, yeah. Awesome.
There you go. That's a nice fish. Go. One-hand bandit.
Yep.
There we go. That's a fish. That's
Another quality rainbow. That was pretty typical of the size we got. We got a few small ones, but most of them were decent 14, at least maybe 16 inch. I put a little strip of tuna skin that I had on the Trix minnow and put some scent on that as well. And this guy just kept coming back because he could taste the flesh and wanted it. Wanted that sushi. As we got into midday, the sun angle and was such that fish were going a little bit deeper, so we were fishing lead core at this point.
Oh, there we go again. Again.
Oh, out of the water.
All right. We're not having much luck with this.
Oh, this is a much nicer fish. Oh, this is
That's what I like to do.
yeah. this works out very well. I got him controlled. He's in the camera angle.
Nice one.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Pretty fish. Very nice. What color?
Orange grub.
A grub?
Orange, you know, the one I was using this morning, but, you know.
Minnow? So you went back to minnows? You tricked me? I went back to lures.
Back to what was working.
I went to lures and you went back to orange and you're catching all the fish. Four colors.
Yeah, five.
4 colors?
5 colors, so that's 25 feet.
Yeah. Those are those fish that you
About
saw.
right where we saw them.
Yeah, because that was about that far back. Is it huge?
Oh, they're all.
Is it very huge?
They're all.
Is it cute? Very huge? Look at that. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. That's awesome. Awesome. Have you ever thought of getting one of those electric reels that they have for the ocean fishing?
Push a button.
Yeah, up it comes. Good. Come on, heavy side. That's shake too. Here we go. Oh, they're nice fish for all that. Oh, that's a beautiful fish. Oh, way to go, Gary. You gotta be proud of yourself. That's a nice fish.
And yet another beautiful rainbow trout out of Folsom Lake. Gary Edminster sure has this lake dialed in. 14 to the boat, and most of those were Gary's. He kept changing up to the right things, following the light, and where the fish were more active. Hope this helped. Hit that like and subscribe if you would. Helps the channel.